So now let's see how we can utilize something called the pen tool inside of Corel Draw. So to do that, over here on the left hand side, you can see that I have this tool right here, and over here you can see that pen is an option. So pen tool is like a basic tool right here that can actually create a lot of things. And if you master pen tool, then you can basically create everything. So if I were to go around and click right here with the pen tool right here, then you can see that I get straight lines right here. But if I were to click and drag right here, then I get curvy lines right here, and a curvy line follows, as you can see right here. Then you get a pointy line again, as you can see right here, and then you can go around and go for the curves right here. But what I can also do is I can go around and I'll click on the node right here to get a pointy line from over there, just like this right here. So go around and click on the node by clicking on Alt button, and then you can go around and make pointy line, as you can see right here. So you need a lot of practice, and this is how you can go ahead and create an entire shape, as you can see here, just like this. So once you go ahead and do that, you got this shape right here that I enclose. You can change around the point, as you can see right here, and you can go around and choose a color that you wish right here to fill it out as well. And apart from that, you can choose the type of the line as well, just like this, as you can see right here, to get the style that you want. Then you can also go around and then, let's say for example, go with the arrows if you have arrows right here, if it is not an enclosed shape. Let me just go around and create an open shape right here, just like this. I'm going to go around and press enter to just keep it as it is. And then what I can do is I can add in the straighten back right here, just like this, as you can see, and you got the arrows right there as well. So you can see that this is what you have right here. And then you can change around the curviness as well and close the curve as well if you want. So if I were to go around and then, let's say for example, go for this, you can also go for close the curve, and then it simply closes out the curve right here, just like this as well. So this is how you can work around with the pen tool inside of Corel Draw. And by using the pen tool, you can create a lot of graphics of your choice. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.